Wow, that's embarrassing. You better not put that on YouTube.
Hi. Oh, it's so handsome boy. So it is Sunday. We are going to a wedding. Took you guys along with us today. So I like this shirt, but he doesn't.
Wow, that's embarrassing. You better not put that on YouTube.
Can you come over here? We decided that one looks like pajamas. Like your great grandpa might wear that.
This one looks like pajamas too. It's like a rich person pajamas.
Come on.
This one?
Yeah, better than the other one, the Abercrombie one.
Okay.
Oh.
Dude, not on YouTube. Alright, now I need pantalones.
Let's go.
I know where that. Beep beep.
Okay, so now we're just looking at a house. Since we haven't seen it yet, we're just looking. Yeah. For married tax filers, joint family, jointly. So, 200,000 is a standard deduction, but maybe it depends on how much you can itemize. So if your itemized deduction is 120,000, it doesn't matter. You know, so if it's over, then you write off different items, you know, like real estate. I think that's how it works. Only itemizing that's worthwhile for taxpayers is that they can also deduct worthwhile expenses like charitable donations, personal property tax, state and local income taxes, medical expenses, business expenses. Joshua. How's that burrito? I got the chicken flautas. So hey, that was really good. Jalisco Grill. Wait, Jalisco Fairway. They changed the name. That's why it was so expensive.
They separated, like they got on the whore. I don't care about that horse anyway. I like it.
Alright, so now I need to go home, get ready.
We are finally finished getting ready. To Winco, go grocery shopping, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I just figured I'm gonna be filming, so I should probably do my makeup. So yeah, super fast routine that I do. Everyone on YouTube was kind of swearing by the Shape Tape concealer. The shade that I got is Light Sand, and it's obviously way too light for me, but the other ones, they just were kind of giving me off like those pinky vibes, and I can't do the pink because it'll just like completely warm up my face. When I'm done, it looks decent. I don't think I can return it at this point because I have tried it a few times. So I don't know. I still haven't figured out a way that I like to do this. Whatever. What? Come here. He's right here looking at me. My boys love watching me do my makeup. See how this is so light? Trust me, I love the whiteness under my eye, but I know it's too bright, but this is all I have right now. I do have a contouring video that you guys should check out. I'm gonna go in with the cinnamon and the medium, but I just do a tiny little bit. I really like this contour. It took me forever to finally contour it, and then ever since I did get the contour kit, like, I haven't looked back. Finalized skin finish from MAC. I did hit pan, but this is my favorite. It gives me like that red, bronzy. Everyone thinks that I put way too much, but I don't care. I like it. Okay, I've been using this for like years. There we go. So, I'm sure you guys have seen these brows a million times. The Kylie holiday collection. I love this. Whenever I like don't have time to do my makeup or feeling lazy, I just do this. I'll just put it on my lid. I need to buy like 3-4 brushes of the same thing because this is my favorite. I'm almost done. It's still recording. Dang, I wonder how long it'll record for. Okay. So I'm just trying to blend it up a little bit. Don't judge right now, guys. Lash Sensation. Lash Sensational. It's okay. Okay, so remember how my foundation was really light and then like under here was crazy white? Like you guys were like, she doesn't know what she's doing. But I mean, look at it now, right? Like, looks a little light, but it kind of blends, you know? So I'm really glad I got to finish my makeup and my battery didn't die. So I'm really happy about that. Hopefully I'll be able to take you guys to Winco, or, you know, for the rest of the day, whatever we're doing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Josh. So of course, as I'm recording the outro, whatever, for the makeup after I did my makeup, the battery dies. So we made it to the mall. We didn't go grocery shopping yet. It's like 10 o'clock right now and no one is here. I don't feel like we're trampled on over here. Come here, Josh. Dance, dance. Ooh, boy. You find anything?
Yeah, but.
And I got this pan. I wanted a pan. This is so cute. This blue is probably low-key my favorite color in the world. I really liked it. It was so cute. I got it at Walmart. The things moms get excited for, right? Okay, so it is now dinner time and my husband made some barbecue chicken and white rice and garlic bread. Plate.
Then you can put butter on your cake.
Yeah.
Let me see. Made más. Want some rice?
No.
You don't eat rice.
I don't. I hate rice.
Man.
I don't like rice.
Realize that you don't eat rice.
Whenever have you ever seen me eat rice?
Bosses are mad and you don't eat rice?
Actually, I will have salad.
Daddy.
So who eats white rice in their house? I grew up eating, I feel like, nothing but white rice. I'm more of a potato person. Yes, I can see. Thanks, Daddy, for dinner.
You're welcome. It's good?
Really good.
Don't skip the ads.
Yeah, I want you to go.
Oh, baby. I don't want to go either. But, you know, it's a man's job. Got to go to work.
Can you just, like...
Ugly? Go ahead, say it.
Too perfect. So I don't know if I'm going to include this or not in the video, but when we were downstairs I was just feeling like my anxiety start to creep in. Yeah, just the day before my husband has to go back to work. I just totally feel it creep in and like almost like a panic. I just don't want him going to work. I'm not able to talk to him like when he's at work or anything, and he's gone most of the day. So I don't know, I was just wondering if there are any other moms that also feel like that, like on your guys' Sunday nights just before your guys' husband has to leave or whatever. So let me know in the comments, you know, if you guys feel the same thing. So hopefully it'll just kind of calm down or go away and it doesn't progress into anything worse. And because I really hate whenever I go to bed, like when it starts early, like the night before, and then in the morning I just wake up with it again and then it just starts off on a whole bad note. So alright guys, so that is it for my vlog for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys do enjoy these day in the life style vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one.